Whoa, there's a mushroom cloud on the sun.
Is there?
You tell me.
Unreal.
You're always welcome, but if you want to donate, it'll help you get gear for my research, which is not the sun, this is just looking at it. It'll be fine. That's real time.
What'd you see? Oh my god.
Here on the
Okay.
right side of the sphere. That is pretty neat. We're gonna keep recording it.
I see it right there.
Yeah.
Oh my god. That's awesome.
It is pretty neat.
That's awesome.
That's what stars look like. It's actively spitting out that fire.
I think that is.
It's so slow. It's violent. It's moving really fast.
Don't you think? So
my.
awesome. Everything else pales in comparison. I look at stars at home.
Yeah.
And here, because you have awesome stars. Oh my gosh, awesome. Thank you.
Oh my goodness, that is crazy.
What?
So do you want to see it? The explosion on the sun? Would you want to see the sun? It's spitting out some stuff right now. I'm lucky I'm recording this for real. Damn. What? Okay, that's a little better. Excuse me. Hey man. It's exploding. You want to see it? It's exploding. It's spitting out some stuff. Cool. Did you guys want to see the sun? Nobody's interested right now, which is strange. It's actively spitting out some stuff. Crazy, crazy. You want to see it?
Yeah, what is that?
It's a solar telescope. There's a small eruption on the sun. I'm recording it so I can put it on my YouTube later. Look at that thing right there on the right circumference of the sphere. You can go a lot closer.
Wow.
You see that little tendrily wispy mushroom cloud?
I see a cloud, but I'm not seeing the tendril yet. Oh, there it is.
It's made up of individual smaller.
Yeah, I see it. I see it. Yeah, wow. Amazing.
That's really cool. Perhaps that's a sign of sunlight's coming where it's spinning.
Great. So you
Some sort of thing.
so you're filming it?
Yeah, that's it. My phone is recording it right there. See it?
Are you a professional or?
I'm independent. If you wish to donate, it will help me get gear for my research. It's cheaper than tuition. Thank you. I'll put this on my Instagram and YouTube. You can watch it. It's called Astronomy Capital. Astronomy Capital.
Like back there in Capital in Washington.
Okay. But you could still spell that capital. Well, I suppose. I don't know. Yeah. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Whoa, that is crazy, crazy. What? It exploded, and they were all found living on this planet. What? Oh my gosh. That is pretty crazy. Do you want to see the sun? Get a bit of the sun?
Oh, thank you.
Oh my. Josh, dude, what? That is crazy. I can't wait to be able to do this live, dude. I should just basically just go get Starlink, cancel my internet at home. It would be cheaper that way, wouldn't it? Did you guys want to see it? There's a little eruption going on.
Oh, really? May I?
You're gonna miss out if you don't.
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Be there for another 15 minutes maybe before it disconnects and it becomes too dark to be seen.
That's crazy.
Everyone is welcome. If you wish to donate, it'll help me get through my research.
Oh, no.
Just check it out.
What are you researching?
The goal is to look at some of your shower.
Oh, very cool. Are you doing it for like one of the like college or?
There's a what? An eruption.
Oh, yeah?
On the right circumference of the ball there. Slowly it's been growing for most of this.
Wow, very cool. This is a humongous telescope.
Yes. So cool.
Please subscribe to my YouTube. It's called Astronomy Capital.
Astronomy Capital?
Yeah.
Is that your Venmo as well?
Yeah, I have Cell, and I think Venmo works. Let me check. I don't know. Oops.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm stupid. Recording. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to like leave
Oh
it
no,
there. It's fine.
you're so good.
You can always just say that. But eventually you can check that stuff out on the YouTube.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
What? Tremendous. This out of the way.
So we're out here, and Chiga's with two girls, and Maria's the oldest. Maria's jumping around. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that's right.
And so, Gina goes, Laura,
Do you guys want to see the sun? Everybody's welcome. If you wish to donate, it'll help me get good in my research. Look on the screen. I'm actually recording a small eruption on the right side of the red ball. You're not going to be able to see anything from there. You're going to have to step closer.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Look on the screen. The red ball is the whole sun. On the right side, you see that little mushroom cloud poking out of it?
Yeah.
That's bigger than any planets, and it was way smaller a few minutes ago. I've been recording it, so if you want to see the whole time lapse, I guess, go to my Instagram and YouTube.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you.
If you guys want to actually get another look, maybe it's time sensitive. I don't know how long it I started recording it so I could compress the time lapse and take another look at it. That is insane. So you guys are gonna take a turn climbing on the ladder to get a closer look at the screen, okay?
Is that the sun?
Yeah, hold on to this part and climb up as tall as you can. And then look, you see the right side of the ball?
Yeah.
That's the whole sun. That was way smaller a few minutes ago. See how long it's taken
Yeah.
to go to that size? It's actually really big distances. Like stuff can't travel that fast. It takes a second for light to go from one side of the ball to the other. Jeez. So that stuff is like as fast as it can, but it's really big out there.
That's cool.
That's bigger than any planets. It's bigger than the smallest stars. Smallest stars are like 84 times heavier than Jupiter. You see it?
Yeah.
See that piece right there where the square is? That's an explosion.
Neat thing.
Wow.
That's the whole sun.
The whole sun?
The whole sun.
Is that? What if we look at the sun?
That's amazing.
Huh?
That's amazing.
That's amazing,
A
huh?
couple of days later, special telescope.
You done?
Cool. Do you have a card with YouTube address?
You got something to scan, or you can look up astronomy capital. I'll get cards soon, but I don't know. They're hard to deal with.
Gotcha. Could be yours.
Oh, now it's got a shape to it. Wow. I turned it down a bit. Turn the exposure down a bit. Look at that shape. Astronomy capital with an O at You're always welcome. If you wish to donate, it helps get gear for research. Just check out the tuition.
Astronomy capital?
Yeah. I'm still blown away by that. I gotta see if we can do it a little bit higher. Make it big.
What's the neatest thing that you've seen?
Just bigger crowd or something like that. But I've seen a lot of stuff. It just depends on what you're looking for. Whoa, there's a bigger portion of it. Let me scan the whole thing. You see that wavelength guide? Those are slightly variations in brightness, which are basically variations in temperature. So that's the thickest part. Gotta keep updating that. Let me see if I can.
Yep.
Whoa,
Big
it
ones off the
is
side.
wrinkly, dude. Get in there, get close, do that. Dude. What? Oh my god. No, do it to yourself like this. How's that? Really, get yourself really dark. It's insane.
That is insane.
Dude, what? This is the best one I've captured so far. Really? It just became the biggest one that I've seen. Except for the ones that are like little spikes. Those get really, really tall. What? The hell?
You record all this data, and then what do you do?
Put it on YouTube and Instagram for now. But the sun, I can't take really good pictures. This is as good as it gets. We do way better if I got a bigger solar scope. So that's why we're fundraising this for the gear we need to take data down. Then you can just show it to people. That's it. It's cheaper than tuition. You don't have to get the gear on the
I was gonna say, is it from school?
yeah, then I'm gonna better. It's better this way. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. We'll
Yeah,
scope it up whenever we get home.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You're welcome. Too. You want to see the eruption? What the fuck? Dude, that is insane. See that?
I see it. Yeah, thanks.
It's zoomed in on, and I started recording it on my phone so that we could see it.
I've seen pictures of that in
Look,
science in
This
high
is
school.
gonna,
You
this is
know,
gonna take maybe 30 minutes to record the whole thing.
that is so awesome. How many miles above the surface is that going to be?
So the ball is about 1,000,000 miles, and that's, I'd say, like a tenth. So right now it's about 100,000 miles up, but it's still growing.
Still going. It's so interesting to see it happening in real time. Thanks for sharing that with us.
You're
So
welcome.
is it luck that you catch an eruption now?
Yeah.
Or is there something going on all the time?
It's
Like-
solar maximum, so there's more chance of it now. It's higher. But yeah, it's luck. I got lucky.
Okay, that's good. Great.
Thank you. Right now, there's a little eruption going on. Oh, nice. That's awesome. See? You can much closer. Like stand up straight. Thank
I
you.
was like,
Yeah, because there's a lot of glare between you and there, so if you do this, you get in there, you see the screen. Really appreciate it.
oh wow.
That's currently erupting. It was way smaller that much long ago.
That's so cool.
Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, you just study.
I show it to everybody.
That's
And
so
if you wish to
cool.
donate, it'll help me get rid of the things I need to research.
Oh, that's awesome.
Thank you.
It's nice meeting you.
You want to see the sun?
Looking at
The sun. I'm recording it. Doing a special filter. You see that screen right there?
mm-hmm.
A little eruption on the side. I got lucky today. Look at that.
Wow,
It's bigger than any plants.
that's a huge thing. Wow.
Sun.
Sun?
Yeah, you can see it much closer. It's a little fire poking out. Everybody's welcome, but if you wish to.
What is that?
See the screen? It has a little fire poking out the side.
Yeah.
Everybody's welcome, but if you wish to donate, it helps get gear for research.
What is?
I'd like to look at
It's
it.
a little eruption.
Solar flare.
Eruption?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Wow.
Is that a 12-inch scope?
It is. This one's closed right now. We're just using the tractor.
Do you have to put something to reduce the, like an aperture?
This one is for the sun, this little solar scope. This
Oh,
one is
that's
just closed.
nice.
It's got the lid on it.
I've had a telescope since 1968, but nothing this good. I got one on Christmas, December 24th. You know what was going on that year? Apollo 8.
Nice.
And it was a 60 millimeter Tasco. Have you heard of Tasco?
Yeah.
Japanese telescope. I don't know if they're still around, but
Sometimes.
I don't live where you can see the sky good. Like, we have a lot of trees, and it's near the city in Minnesota. So if I lived out here, I'd definitely get as much as I could afford. Like, some people have those. Is it called Dobsonian? What's the one that is like?
The box rocket mount.
Is that what that is?
Dobsonian.
And you can have, 12-inch is big, but you probably have bigger.
Yeah.
But it's like a
Those
candle.
cost a lot, yeah. Cost as much as a bigger bird, the same size of it, with robot arms and all.
I think that out here the sky is really dark.
It is pretty nice,
Really,
yeah.
really. If you go down to Sierra Vista, that's a really good, really dark sky. And there's this blimp. This radar blimp. It's on a cable. It's like 60,000 feet up. And at night, it looks like a UFO up there. It's just it looks like it's hovering. There's a cable that goes all the way, and it's like tracking, people coming from across the border, I guess, or something. That's what it was used for. I think it's still there. It's on a tether, and if you're a pilot, you can see. You avoid that area. You don't want to hit the cable,
Yeah.
So, thanks a lot.
Yeah, you're welcome. Look at that. That is insane. What is even happening? Wow. ¿Quieren ver?
Está en el sol.
Tiene una erupción. Todo eso es el sol.
Okay.
Y aquí esto es más grande que hasta las estrellas más pequeñas. Se llaman
Yeah, the
prominencia.
sun flaring up right there.
Can you closer?
What is it? It's flaring up. Yeah.
Yeah, we call it an active region. It's destabilizing. It's becoming a coronal mass actually. Slowly, this long ago is when I started recording. It was way smaller, so it's probably gonna spit out some stuff at the end of all this. You see the shape? All the wrinkles. Those are the shapes of the magnetic fields when it bursts through. And the plasma is just the stuff can't move that fast. It's kind of like slowing along the first initial burst of energy by the magnetic lines. You guys want to see the sun?
It's pretty neat.
Sure. Everybody's welcome. If you wish to donate, it'll help me get gear for my research. Look on the screen, we're recording a little eruption right now on the right side. See that? That's bigger than any planets. And it was way smaller than that, like a tenth of the size that long ago. Pretty neat. You can step us closer and shade yourself to help you appreciate the screen.
Oh wow.
That's what stars look like.
Wow. It's cool.
Please subscribe to my YouTube and my Instagram. The fact that I still have space to record is amazing. You guys want to see the eruption? Did you get to see it? Son, you want to see it? I'm using my phone to record it because, and try not to touch it, but you can get close and shade yourself like that and remove your sunglasses. You see the red ball, half ball?
Oh, yeah.
And on the right side of that, we're recording that eruption. It was a tenth of that size. Up at the top, you see how long we've been recording for? That's how long it's been since it was a tenth of that size.
Wow. So that's a big one there.
Yep. Luckily for us, it's opposite day, so it's headed out that way in the solar system.
Thank God, huh?
That way, over by where Jupiter and Saturn are.
Oh, there's you. See that?
That is bigger than the smallest stars.
Oh, wow.
The smallest stars are only about 100 times the size of Jupiter in mass. They get a little more puffy. You see the shape of the wrinkles and the fires poking out? Yeah. I know a few guys like that.
Don't we all? That's pretty amazing.
Thanks
Wow.
for stopping by.
Thank you. We're letting us see that.
Whoa, it is making its mark. Amazing. That is just tremendous. It's been 30 minutes. Wow. Recording it with my phone because it's cool and I want to save this moment. Half ball, we're zoomed in, and then that's how long it's been since it was a tenth of that size.
Yeah, yeah.
You can get in.
Talking about that thing right
Yeah,
there.
get in there and do that.
Yeah.
Are those just sunglasses?
Uh-huh. No, they're glasses. That is wild.
Oh yeah.
How often does that happen? I mean, every day.
I got lucky today. They don't always pop off where you can see them detach and float away.
Yeah.
Sometimes they're just hanging out. They happen.
Holy
They're
shit.
always there. The little fires poking out.
Uh-huh.
But that one, 30 minutes ago, was super tiny and just hanging out. And now it's just like...
Dude, that's insane. That's so sick.
That's so cool.
Yeah, no shit.
Subscribe to my YouTube. It's called Astronomy Capital on my Instagram as well, so you can see this later.
Oh,
You
nice.
can show your friends. You like, yo, dude, I saw this live. astronomy capital. And if you guys wish to donate, it'll help me get gear for my research.
Dude, hell yeah.
That's what stars do. That's what they look like.
That's dope.
Dude, that is so cool.
Acting up. A little bit of sun. Yeah, 30 minutes. What? Oh my gosh. It's going. Let's
Yeah, you
see.
put a little square right there and you kind of follow the progress with it, huh?
Yeah. Before it was small enough where I could fit more of the sun in there,
Uh-huh.
but now it's growing too big, so it's easier to move,
Yeah,
move
yeah,
back
yeah,
and zoom in
yeah,
on it.
yeah. Dude, that is so awesome.
Whoa.
Have you seen anything weird? No?
No.
I mean, like stars, whatever at night now.
Everything is accounted for. I'm pretty good at identifying stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
So the only problem is like when people talk about these strange sightings,
Uh-huh.
they don't have the gear that I have. They cannot identify stuff or zoom in to different levels.
Oh, for real.
I would appreciate if I could have like night vision. I'm working on getting night vision so I can do, because that will up my game in identifying
Night vision for
stuff.
this.
Yeah, I could put it up to the scope and do that, like get an ocular, a vision tube, and just pop it on when you're looking
Yeah,
at
but
stuff.
so
But
it
I
would
can
actually
also-
transmit from here
No,
in
you,
there.
you know those night vision tubes? You
Yeah,
look at?
yeah.
Like that, you just pop it on the eyepiece, you look through it with it at different stuff, not the sun or anything. But like at night, where I could just look around, that'll help me identify stuff. Everything else, aircraft identifier lights, satellites, move in a specific pattern that's really predictable.
Sure.
And yeah, that's it. Everything else is
That is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, serious right now, man. I'll check you out on Instagram. I took your name down. That's sick. Just do this. It's fun.
What? That's nuts. Now it's kind of even along most of the band. What? That's crazy.
Hate to be a bum, man, but you don't have like any extra water, do you?
I'll give you the rest of my little vitamin water. It's B12. It's not. Sweeter than you want it to be. But it's going to be calories.
Thank you so much.
You can have the rest of this one too.
That's all good, man. That's
No,
perfect.
I'm gonna empty this out.
For sure. Thank you. I was trying to take it to the top, but I didn't think I was going to have enough water to do it.
It's harder than it should be. At this time of year last year, you wouldn't have thought about coming up here. You would have been like, hell no. They probably wouldn't have let you. It would have been too icy. But
Came up here like 2 weeks ago and it was freezing.
yeah, there's some talk about how if there's an extra rain season and if it stays hot for another year, that what bulb temperature you search for. Yeah, everybody with like dehumidifiers to see the equilibrations and stuff. Yeah, there's lots of things like that, but it's gonna be way too energy intensive. You wanna see the sun? Yeah, the sun.
Literally.
See a little fire poking out of there? That's bigger than any planets.
Dang.
And it's currently erupting. It's been that long since it was a tenth of that size.
Really?
Yep.
Jesus Christ.
Subscribe to my YouTube from Instagram called Astronomy Capital.
Astronomy capital. We've been getting a lot of those.
Mm-hmm.
I saw the Aurora Borealis
Nice. That's pretty neat. This one is headed that way.
Okay.
Kind of like inverted.
Yeah.
So we're good.
That's
I know.
interesting.
It's more like headed out to where Saturn and Jupiter are.
Nice. That's awesome. That's really cool.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for the water. I'll check out your Instagram later, brother.
Hello. Do you want to see the sun? No, I'm recording a special through a special telescope.
What are you recording?
There's an eruption going on.
Really?
It's been this long since it was a tenth of that size, and it was more filled in before.
Really? Cool. Check that out, you guys. A sun flare. Is that a sun flare?
I think it's a coronal mass ejection right now.
A what?
Coronal mass ejection.
Coronal mass ejection.
Funny thing is, it's not really flaring, it's not really TV. If it was white hot, it would also be flaring.
Very cool.
Yeah. Did you see it? Can you see it from there?
Look.
On the right side of that ball, there's a little fire poking out. It's bigger than the planets.
Oh my gosh, that's
That's
cool.
what the stars look like.
That's cool. Thank you.
Yep. Tremendous.
Can you see it again? It's way bigger. It's like the arch is bubbling out and it's about to burst. You gotta look way closer. Add a little,
Take your glasses off and do this.
Where do I look in?
Just look on the screen.
Oh.
You see this half sphere in the fire arch here?
Oh, it's on your phone. Oh, cool.
That's what stars are.
Oh, wow. Cool. That thing is awesome. Thank you.
Did you guys get to see the sun already? Eruption going on. You gotta come closer and look at the screen. You see that red ball? And that tendril of flames coming across it? Very closely, it's granulated and filamentous. It's a magnetic line. It's been this long. So it's just a little tiny little bubble of fire in the sun. And it's undergone a massive, almost eruption. I feel like now it's almost on the end of snapping, letting some stuff go. That's what stars look like. Thank you.
You can see the sun.
Look on the screen.
Oh, yeah.
We're recording it because there's a little eruption on the side.
Uh-huh.
It's on the very tail end of its growth, and it might split. It went from a tenth of the size to that little arch.
Uh-huh.
Much more concentrated, and now it's kind of bubbled out.
Oh my gosh.
And it took this long for that to happen. Probably more than that, because I missed a few minutes.
Wow.
Thank you.
What fun for you
Thanks.
doing this. Yeah.
It's still going, dude. What? You want to see it? I'm recording a little eruption. It's almost done. Get closer. Get closer. Come here. Red ball, and this little arch used to be way smaller that long ago.
Man, my son would love to see that. He just went back to the car.
You can subscribe to my YouTube, follow my Instagram. Everybody's welcome. And if you wish to donate, I'll just give you on YouTube and Instagram, it's called Astronomy Capitol. Capitol with an OL. Yeah.
Nice. I want to see if he'll pull over here.
Sure. Thank you.
That is so cool. 41 minutes to go.
Yeah, and once it's done, I can stop the recording and then we can take a look at it.
Okay.
It's an hour long. It's a whole movie. I'm gonna have to put that on YouTube.
That is cool. I just moved here from Ohio.
It's the astronomy capital of the world.
My son, he's been here for 3 years,
Nice.
and I keep saying I want to go to that mountain because you can kind of see it, but it's kind of blocked.
Yeah.
And I finally brought me up here. Can you tell I wasn't expected to come? Thank you. Right.
So what are you up to? What is this happening?
I'm showing people the sun. If you wish to donate, it'll help me get gear for my research. I'm recording a little explosion on the sun. You want to see it? What's left of it?
Sure.
You see the screen here? It's got the red hemisphere. On the right side of it.
I see it.
That arch. Shade yourself. Do that. You'll see it even more. It's crazy. It's
Oh,
actually
that is
tiny.
crazy.
That's bigger than...